Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys back here again. So for today I am showing you guys how I make the rice paper sails. My friend asked me to make a video of this, so I figured I would. But essentially what I do is at first I cut them into three pieces, I think. Three pieces I did. Just in half, and then one of them in quarter and the other one was still the full piece. I wet those down like you would if you're using them for rolls or anything like that. And then I crumpled up some parchment paper and laid those on there in kind of the way that I wanted them. And originally I painted a little bit of gold paint on there, edible gold paint, on two of them, and the other one I left because it wasn't really working out that great. And then I stuck those in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did them in there for 30 minutes, and that just kind of dries them out. I realized after the fact that maybe I should have done them a little bit longer because one of the sails bent a little bit, so it was probably still a bit wet. But then I took those out of the oven, and I mixed some edible gold luster dust with some alcohol, and then I just painted it on. And then for these two I just did it so that it had a little bit extra from what I did originally. And then the third sail I fully painted it, and then I took some dry luster dust and just did the edging so that that part kind of popped a little bit more, and you could see some of the designs and more of the lines in the sail. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button. It would also be great if you guys could subscribe to the channel. I've noticed that there's a lot of you who are watching, but you haven't subscribed yet, so if you could subscribe, that would be absolutely fantastic. And yeah, I just wanted to say that I appreciate all of you guys who have subscribed and who are watching these videos. It means a lot to me. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and for those of you who live in Canada, I hope you also had an amazing Thanksgiving week. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.